Hello everyone, this will be a quick video to show you how to fix Windows 10 search, finding but not opening your files. So for me this happened when I recently upgraded to a larger hard drive through the clone operation in the Samsung Disk Magician software. And now the Windows 10 search index doesn't seem to be able to find my files. Even though it comes up in the search results, it won't open them. So the fix for this should be pretty easy. We're going to go to the search bar and type in indexing options. And once that opens, you can go under advanced and click on Rebuild under the troubleshooting option next to Delete and Rebuild Index. So it'll caution you that rebuilding the index will take a long time to complete, but we'll go ahead anyway. And then indexing options will give you a readout here of how many items it's indexed so that you can see the progress being made, and this will just run in the background. So in real time, it's been rebuilding indexes for about an hour now, and it'll keep doing so in the background, but it should have found the majority of my files. So if I search again for my text file, it'll come right up, and it fixed all the mismatched pointers. So I hope with this video you were able to fix your indexing options, and if you'd like to see more videos from my channel, please click on the like button below and consider subscribing. Thank you.